No, don't make total.
No. Just kiss him.
First, kiss me.
Smack. Just smack.
I just twist myself. We could kiss him already.
Sorry, what are you talking about? Risking your what? Risking your what? To risking your...
Boys on.
No, I don't want.
Taray ng accent. Taray ng accent. Ang taas.
Don't be choosy to that juice.
Just open it. Open it to Jasmine.
Do not say anything, just...
Hey, you poison ivy.
Open mo daw yung buwa. Ako doon sa titira.
Guys,
Open your mouth.
Pikit tayo, pikit.
Introduce yourself.
Don't touch screen.
Pag hindi kayo nag-kiss ako, mag-kiss.
Gusto mo to, di ba? Okay, you may not
Katapusan mo na yan, Mariah. Katapusan mo na yan.
So you're a flirt.
Katapusan mo
Why
na
are you
yan.
so afraid? Do it, learn. May asawa
Yes.
ko. May asawa ko.
Gusto ko yung dalawa.
Hindi ka kaya.
Ay, naku daw, ayoko daw.
Ako daw, nabibigla ako.
Because you want to kiss every one of us. You're a flirt.
Excuse me, Kevin, not a flirt. I'm a single.
I'm sorry.
Oh, he's... Yeah, if you want to kiss
Are you
me a lot,
racing?
if you want.
Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Yan na, shut up.
Invite my lips.
You're single, right?
Yeah.
Ready to mingle.
Mingles.
Okay, go ahead.
You want to kiss me?
No, I don't want to kiss you. You kiss me
Hey,
first.
you did some.
You're a
No,
single.
Sample! Sample! Close the light!
Ano yun?
I turned off the light.
Yan ang flip top na yan. Takin ang flip top na ng English.
Smack, kiss, smack, kiss.
Kiss my lawyer.
What is the lawyer though?
Kiss my lawyer.
What?
Kiss the front first.
Oh, sige, yung lawyer na lang. Yung
Lawyer! 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 Eto ha, kayo lang. Matindi ang sumpa, kailangan sumpa.
Oh my
Kanina na moment sa mga market.
Kinaya mo.
I'm a bad fan.
Oh, alright.
Okay, stop. Not enough time.
Oh, alright.
Stop piracy!
Ano ba naman yan? Eh, pa naman.
Because we're original, right?
I don't care. 13 years old.
I'm just talking to him.
Uy, kung si Kim Chu nalito ko, kinakti mo yun.
Kim Chu, you show your ass.
Oh.
Coco Martin is here.
I want to see your ass!
You want it?
Right now.
Yeah, check it.
Hindi mo kaya si Emra.
Sabi, pag sure as, yeah, kiss me, ganito.
Yan na.
Emra kiss ka. Paano ba?
Want to check out your house? Anybody?
Anybody?
One, two, three,
Anybody?
Show your ass.
Pag hindi nyo pinakita, pwede pa ba?
Ayan.
Yes.
Oh, sige, papakita ko yung gusto ko.
We will fuck you all.
Ay!
Oh my God!
Ay, ganun
Tangina!
Oh, pila.
We will fuck you all if you show
Hey!
your ass.
Pila. Number 5 ako, ha?
Just show. Show
Una ako.
Excuse me, number one. Emma, sorry. Oh my God. Show your ass.
You want to see my ass? Your camera open. Okay, ass. Go on it.
Jackass.
Push mo yan. Push mo yan. Dali, go.
She want to see look buds. She want to kiss you.
Show your ass. Just show your ass. Don't
Yeah.
fuck anymore.
Oh my God. Can you kiss my ass?
Just prove it right
I
now.
don't want to expose my ass. I want to believe me.
Oh, patay.
Because we think you're skinny.
No, you're
Yes.
Your ass is so wide. So, we want to see your ass.
Ay.
Ay, ay, ay!
Go try it.
na nga lang, tanginang tagal eh.
Go, push mo.
Uy, gogo.
Medyo, I'm sorry to inform you that it's already on the grade of the time.
Hey, what are you doing?
Brain dump.
It's just on the grade of the
Oh my gosh, what's the meaning?
Hey!
What about?
No more talking, just show your ass.
Dinalaglag mo ako ha.
If you don't show your
I'm
ass,
sorry,
you're
what's
a problem.
What's Wagwan?
We're just kidding.
Mas long
What's
lang.
Wagwan?
No, I'm talking about how you're
Oh my gosh.
Ay!
You're a coward.
You're touching
If you
your
don't show
boobs,
your
oh
ass,
my
you're a
god.
coward.
Oh my god.
What's supposed to ask? Expose my ass here, my god. You should expose my ass. Because we don't fuck you all.
Oh, Mariah's alive! Oh my God! So what?
Ayan, natabingin na. Charit mo. Ayan, tabingin.
He's the one who first fucked you.
Ay, oh my God.
Ay!
Baka ng itsura. May boobs kami na.
May hawin na.
Chamba!
Inaanin ko. Charit. Pinapawisan ako. Ayan na, hindi nakikita. Ulitin mo walang tao dun eh. Ulitin mo yung camera mo, walang tao.
yung mayaman nakaano.
Walang tao.
Ay, walang tao.
Smile, smile para makita ka.
Oh my
Oh, kawai.
50 pesos for that fucking shit. Oh my gosh,
Iba talaga pag yung mayaman.
Yes, sir.
What's sa you, Tay?
He will fuck you.
Alam ko na talaga
Let me show your ass.
Mahirap lang.
I'm the second one.
Sabi ni Maria.
Oh my god!
Cannot imagine
He's the
yourself.
third one. He'll fuck you.
Cannot imagine
Let me
yourself.
show you.
Apple, para ano.
I'm not. Yes.
Raffle.
You're a hot button here.
I have some.
Don't act too virgin.
Na-relocate.
Guys, I'm virgin.
Sabi naman maghalikan na itong dalawang to. Putang ina.
Ayan na, ma'am.
Ayan na, ayan na.
Huwag nyo na yung tama yung batang to. Huwag nyo na yung tama yung batang to.
Don't act too virgin.
I'm not rich.
Yeah, me too, I'm virgin.
We all know that. You're not a virgin anymore. Say,
I am going.
Ayan,
Virgin
ayan.
time.
Hey, you're running. I'm virgin. Oh my god, you're talking. Oh my god.
Oh, kiss. Shut up and kiss.
Virgin. What? 15 years old?
Sorry.
You're 15 years old, you're not already a virgin.
No!
Oh my God! Me, 10 years old. Nauna pala ako. Ayan na, ayan na. May mga himas ha.
Yes!
Ayan. Ay, ayan.
Stop this, stop this.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, ang chaka.
Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
I'm sorry I was not involved in this already. Overrated class.
Oh, it's me.
It's not my fucking ass. Oh my god, conversation. Someone's not
Labas
involved
dila.
for me.
Labas dila, di ba?
Overrated class.
Labas dila!
Go! Go!
Hoy, hey! Guys!
Wait!
Bigger bitch, best
Stop,
shot.
boyfriend.
Ah.
No, closer.
What's that?
Ikaw mag-close.
Closer!
Closer.
Hawakan yung mga kamay niya.
Tagal naman.
Hey, don't disturb them, you know?
Game, shut up, guys!
Toxic!
Five. Wala pa, 5 pa lang eh.
5 pa lang?
3, 2, 1 pa yan. Can't stop.
Toxic.
Okay,
Don't bite my lip.
This is record.
Oh. Walang bite.
Go.
Okay, another. 5.
Di naman ipopost to eh.
6,
7, 8.
Oh my god, toxic.
5.
Oh my
5. 5.
Oh,
Five pa lang nga eh.
You're not a good kisser.
Oh,
you're not?
Okay, isa pa, isa pa!
Isa pa.
Sample lagi.
One more!
Oh my God.
More! We
We have a minor. Two men kissing
Oh my
there.
god, we need more. We have a minor.
I need one more.
What's that?
We don't want to see anybody.
Until the...
Gigigil ako!
No, just...
Oh, tsaka kasi.
It's general patronage. Nice game.
Oh my god, you're informed me. Oh my god. Toxic! Oh my God!
One, shit.
Shit!
Oh.
Tama